You both should depart from your evil ways. Do not bring your darkness into this land. Ezani watches over his people. This is a peaceful land, and I will not stand and watch people bring your evil into it.
And who do you think you are? You are nothing! Okay.
I know how to handle her. Young priestess, allow us to enter the kingdom. We mean no harm. May we pass?
Yes, you may go.
Who does she think she is? That was an insult, Mama. Like you stood here and watched that little priestess disrespect us in such manner, knowing fully well that our power is stronger than whatever she holds.
It's okay, my daughter. I know how to handle such people. You see, we have just arrived into this land. Listen. You have defiled us, and you must pay for that defilement. Your fire or light, whatever you call it, has been extinguished. And your protector is dead.
Your only hope, Ejikeme, is a broken dog. He rather asked for death than face us. Bunch of cowards.
Look at them. You will know no peace. Fear will be your name.
Obi.
Yes?
I'm craving for papa.
Alright. Come on, have your seat.
Easy.
Just sit down. Relax. Let me get it for you.
Greetings.
We are lucky. Nay, the first human to encounter on this land is a pregnant woman, which means the land will favor us.
I cannot see that fruit and walk past.
My love! Please wake up! Stop there! I don't care to know who both of you are. I left my wife, healthy and sound. Undo what you have done to her. Now! Before we chop up!
My daughter, you have done well.
Spirit of Asiani, guardian of truth and shadows, review your guidance and let your power cleanse our land and open the hidden paths. The evil touched you and made you mute.
Two women. They killed my wife and unborn baby and made me mute. Please help me. Help me.
Do not worry yourself anymore. Your voice has returned.
Thank you. Please help me. Help me. What happened? Please, talk to me. What happened?
I'm sorry. Take your wife home. It's too late. Take her home and bury her.
No! My wife cannot die. Please, you have to do something. Help me, please. Please, I can't go and bury my wife. Please, you gonna help me. Help me. No, I can't go and bury my wife. You have to do something. Please do something. Do something.
You both should depart from your evil ways. Do not bring your darkness into this land. Ezani watches over his people. This is a peaceful land, and I will not stand and watch people bring your evil into it.
And who do you think you are? You are nothing!
Okay. I know how to handle her. Young priestess, allow us to enter the kingdom. We mean no harm. May we pass?
Yes, you may go.
Who does she think she is? That was an insult, Mama. Like you stood here and watched that little priestess disrespect us in such manner, knowing fully well that our power is stronger than whatever she holds.
It's okay, my daughter. I know how to handle such people. You see, we have just arrived into this land. We need to settle. Get a place. Learn and study the terrain before we decide on what to do. Do not worry. With time, you will understand what I am saying. Let's go.
Daughter of the gods, the day has barely break. Where did the wind take you to this time?
Father, the down caught my feet, even before the cock could find its tongue. Shadows whispered. Paths trembled. I answered.
I got to this shrine and I didn't find you there. At that point, I realized that the spirit has summoned you again.
Don't worry, Father. Those who carved my destiny walk beside me. Their breath shield me, and their eyes see for me.
You are no longer that little girl that plays under the tree. And I am no one to question the decision of the gods in you.
And yet I remain your daughter. The earth knows the truth, even when the sky calls it.
May the sky lighten your path.
Amụma nwanyị onye ike amụma onye nsọ amụma onye ọkụ amụma.
This hut will suit us.
And they have trees here for sacrifice.
Who are you? And what are you doing in my father's hut?
Nam! Papa! Papa, please come out!
Who are you and what do you want?
We have come to take over your hut.
Which hut? This one?
Mother, enough of the talk. Yes, we are here to possess whatever that belongs to you. Your property, your lands, your food, your huts, whatever you own will be ours. And if I were you, I will pack whatever that belongs to you and get out before you make me angry.
One day. Enough. Your blood runs too hot. I do not take a life except when it is deserved. Now pack your things and leave.
Look, I don't understand your words. Leave my hut at once! You entered the wrong place!
I believe you heard my father. Leave, or I'll pour water on you.
Tell it to my daughter. No!
Wando, you know what to do. The heart belongs to us.
Ogada gidi gidi na why? Never! Gradually, everything that this kingdom owns will be in our palms.
Ujunwa! Uju! Uju! Uju, my friend!
Greetings. I'm looking for Uju, my friend.
If you're here to see your friend Uju, I'm afraid she no longer lives here. This hut belongs to us now.
But she never told me she had a cousin.
Young maiden, if you value your life, get out of this hut right now. Get out before I send you straight to where Obianuju is.
Greetings, father of the great priestess. May the gods continue to guide your path.
You say, greetings. Where are you coming from? Rushing and sweating this way?
I went to see my friend, Obianuju. Reaching there, I found another maiden guiding the hut. And she asked me to leave at once, else she would send me direct to where she had sent Obianuju and her father. And she says that the hut belongs to them.
That is not possible. The hut cannot belong to them. That hut belongs to my very good friend Okudele.
That is what I saw there. I was filled with fear, so I had to leave.
It's okay. Thank you for notifying me. I'll go there and say things myself, okay? It's okay. I came to see Okudele, my very good friend.
Your friend no longer lives here.
That is not possible. This hut belongs to him. As a matter of fact, this is the only hut he has in this land. If he chose to travel, he would have told me.
I do not like to repeat myself. If you make me repeat myself one more time, that which you seek, you shall find.
I beg your pardon.
Also, you be baby, oh, I think you get book for your candy and auntie. So. So, they are finally here. For so many years, I have prayed for the powerful bearers of evil to enter into this land. Now Ebele plays host to the purveyors of such power And now, Ajobi very soon will take his throne.
Ojo di nobodo, anana my jiji.
Ejikeme. Agana m ejikeme gị. I am happy that you now realize, that you now understand that which I have long prayed for has finally become a reality.
Namani, I do not know what you're talking about. I don't know what your plan is, but I'm quick to remind you that justice and truth will abide in this land.
I will take care of you. What I have long prayed for, finally here. Nogo, Wando, great ones, I greet you.
Namani, you're welcome.
I am indeed pleased, very pleased that you honored my invitation by coming into this land. I see you are already settled. For that reason, whatever it is you desire in this land of Ebenebe, I shall grant you. Be it land, power, dominion, what have you. Whatever it is you desire, I shall grant you. I am ready and willing to give to you. And this I swear by Nkitokete, the rod of my forefathers.
Namani, I hope and believe you understand what you're offering.
Oh, Nugo. Perfectly well. The words that I spew from this mouth are perfectly understood by me. Nugo, I am very glad that you both are here. Once again, I bid you welcome. We will soon again meet. Welcome to Ebenebe. Hey!
Apia ni ibe kwa n'aka nwa n'ọkwa na-egwu nyanya. We shall see. Let's go.
Ogada gidi gidi di na wine. Nemo.
Father, darkness cleans the path you walk from.
You are right, my daughter. I suspected the same. I went to my friend's house, Okodele, my friend, you know him. On getting there, I met some strangers, an old woman and the daughter. They said the hut now belongs to them.
I have warned them, but they don't want to listen to the voice of the gods. The time has come.
Who are you talking about?
Father, do not trouble your heart. The gods that chose me will guide every of my steps.
Is greeting no longer a custom in this land?
Greet you as what? Our elder.
You all should leave this stream with immediate effect.
Leave? Because of you? You're new to this land, so you should fetch your water as others.
Do you think you can come here and do whatever you like? Try any nonsense. Then you will see what the maidens of this kingdom will do to you. They will descend on you.
Priestess, to what do I owe this visit?
Do not ask as if you don't know why I'm here. Earlier today, we met, and you said you will bring no harm to this community. But you've already stolen a heart that is not yours.
When I got here, the hut was empty.
Your tongue will deceive mortals, but you can't deceive the gods. The gods see all things. They know all things. The gods of Iziani are peaceful gods and not evil gods. Leave this community. Vacate it completely, else you face the wrath of the gods.
You came here to threaten me. A small, tiny priestess. Better be careful, because you do not know what is coming your way. Do not say I didn't warn you.
Are you not the maid that I met at the stream? What are you doing? Why are you blocking my way?
Nobody speaks to me with such tone and goes unpunished. I didn't strike you at the stream because you were new, But I will not let you walk out unpunished without learning your lessons.
I do not understand. What are you saying? Please let me go. If not, I'll report you to my father.
It's unfortunate you will not live to get home because your existence ends right here and now. Daughter of Nugu, Ogada Gidi Gidi Dina wine. She's not even ripe. I'll tell her the ofuma. You want to get a report with your father, you will end up in my stomach. You little priestess, it seems you do not value your life. I have warned you to stay away from my path.
Drop the plantain. And you and your mother should leave this land and never return.
You lie. That will never happen. And as for this plantain, I will roast it. And I will even melt palm oil mixed with wakana. I will this plantain. I will chew it, I will swallow it, and nothing will happen.
Thank you, my priestess.
Why does my daughter look worried? What is the problem?
That little priestess. That little priestess. She stopped me. She had the guts to confront me and she stopped me from achieving what I wanted.
The silence, the restraint from fighting that girl is beginning to wane. I know what to do. You go inside. I will handle her.
I fear, Mother. Mother, I fear. I fear for her strength. The power that she holds is stronger than mine.
Do not be afraid, my daughter. For all that we have planned to achieve in this land, we must achieve. All we plan to own, we'll own. Your mother must plan. Be rest assured.
Ogada gidi gidi dina why? Ogada gidi gidi dina why?
That is the stranger, the one people fear.
Is she not a human like us? If you have anything to say to me, say it to my face, not behind me. I said, are you not human like us? This land has no space for it. Next time, it will not just be your fruits that will scatter. I will scatter your entire skin and turn it to anunchi.
Iziani, our land trembles under shadow. Guide my sight. The darkness grows bolder.
Child of light, the time is not yet right for battle. Watch, listen, prepare.
The day you came. Greetings.
Greetings.
Something happened on the road. That strange maiden, she caused trouble again.
What did she do?
She insulted the maidens and she scattered their things with just moving of her hand.
Then the rumors are true. Her power is not ordinary.
Will the priestess handle this?
Yes, she can, if the gods permit. Let's go.
Mother, the villagers mock us.
Let them go ahead and mock us. A snake only hisses when it's about to strike.
I want to do more.
No. Restrain yourself. You don't want to attract the priestess's attention. It is too early.
Then when?
When the village is blind and they cannot see.
Evil spirits, mother and daughter, killing people, darkness everywhere.
I want to kiss him, walk and make kiss him, make him, I got my heart, kiss him, go and kiss him, make him, also. Ah, Joby! Ah, Joby! Ah, Joby! Hear my cry! The stranger's power grows. Use them! Use them! Use them! Bend the power of Asiani and let your reign return! Very good. Very good. Now the bond strengthens. Ajobi nne mana ana ajobi nwanne mana ana eke.
Do not stop because of me.
I stopped because peace follows silence.
And silence you shall become. This is a lesson to you and your kind. Wando is not someone to mess with.
Eziani, restore what was stolen.
Thank you, priestess.
Go home and stay away from darkness.
Amụma nwanyị onye ike, onye nsọ, onye ọkụ, amụma nwanyị onye ike, onye nsọ, onye ọkụ, nwa soro ife nwee bịa, onye nzọpụta Eziani, ebo duru anyị n'aka.
Spirit, mother and daughter, killing people, darkness everywhere. Evil spirit, mother and daughter, killing people, darkness everywhere.
You again. What brings you here? Why are you following us like a stray goat? Do you not have a heart to lay your small little head?
You have crossed the line. You have killed the innocent and disturbed the peace of this land.
Young priestess, you now command us?
You will surely leave this land today.
And if we don't,
then the earth will fall against you.
This little priestess. How dare you? I have fought many spirits before your God came to be.
Then you will fight them again. I will not warn you again.
Mama, what just happened? I thought you said the powers we gathered is enough to cripple that little priestess. How come her power still holds more strength than ours?
I don't know what happened. I tried different things on her, but it didn't work. But I know what to do. I will enter into the forest and get enough power that will cripple her. But be rest assured, we do not leave this territory. We stay back. I will get the power that will enable me rule this kingdom. And you, my daughter, will be the only priestess of this land. And everyone will bow down to you.
Nemo! Nemo! Agada gidi gidi gidi. Agada gidi gidi na why?
Wando, this is the farthest you can go. You can't go beyond this point.
Must you go alone?
I have to. I need you to go home. Just take good care of yourself. Do not worry. I'll be back soon. When I come back, everything will change. And we will be able to do all those things that we planned. Okay? Do not look for trouble.
I hear you.
It's okay.
Please be safe.
As always.
Those fools won't quit. They want me to strike, but I'll strike when the gods give me the words. Until then, patience is my weapon.
Why have you refused to hearken to the commandment of the priestess of this land? She asked you and your mother to leave this kingdom, and here you are moving freely as if this land belongs to you. Do you want to incur the wrath of the priestess?
As you can see, Ejikeme, I am not in the mood to entertain your unreasonable words. Get out of my way except you want troubles from me today.
Troubles, you said. Do you think it's everyone you can trouble in this land? Do you think it's everyone you can frighten? You can frighten every other person, not me. Take this as a note of warning to you and your mother. Both of you should leave this kingdom, except you want to entertain the wrath of the gods of Eziani. Let this be the last warning.
Mando, go away.
Did you just call my name? Did you just voice my name? No, I doubt. Your mouth is too bold and your eyes flickers with disrespect. My mother said I shouldn't cause trouble while she's away. But what is a little trouble to clear the paths of our greatness? Drop it! Drink your peace. Drink!
Ajubi ha choka Ndia jomo
Priestess! 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 Priestess, the news from the stream is bad. Bina ran into the compound shaking. The stranger poisoned her pot of water. The people are whispering. Fear is taking root.
The water was not poisoned. It was from their hearts. Mwando seeks to cripple the land with fear and not with power. She's testing the limit of my patience.
But you have gone to them several times, ordering them to leave this land. What happened?
Yes, I have. You are right. But I have to wait for the appointed time. She seeks confrontation. She wants me to strike now. So her mother will return with a prepared counter. But I will not give her that satisfaction.
I know you're here, strange woman. Do not bring your evil to my heart.
Weak father of a great priestess. Are you afraid of a strange woman that you fear your own shadow?
My daughter is not home. She's a tool of the gods. My name is Ejike, the son of the soil, and I fear no mortal evil.
How dare you? How dare you call me a mortal evil? If I am mortal, your friend Okudili could have been here with us today. You must be a fool to think my mother and I are mere mortals compared to what we've done to your useless kingdom.
You and your mother are thieves. You came to steal, to kill and to destroy. You stole a heart. You stole the peace of the land. But I'm assuring you here and now that both of you must surely pay for it.
I am alone. You can call your coward daughter to strike me. Of course you can't. Because you are powerless without your daughter, you weak, wretched man. Tell the priestess that the land is thirsty for its first blood for today. And if you provoke me, Ejikeme, I shall continue the blood sucking with your blood. But of course, it will be of no use because your blood is useless, tasteless, and bitter.
The child is a fool. She thinks I brought them to fight her, not knowing that I have actually brought them to clear the path. The fear is a cotton, thick and heavy. It will blind the sides of Asiani. when the land is finally blind, I will invite Ajobi to walk across the clearing. The land must be prepared for a new priest. Wando is an excellent servant. Ajobi! Speak! For your servants hear it.
You again. Are you incapable of staying where you belong?
I belong where the light is needed. And you are deep in shadow. Your mother left you to be a distraction.
Distraction? She left me to prepare this land for our ascension. And you're just a child playing with fire.
And you are a weapon in another person's hand. You struck the innocent, not because you were strong, but because you were instructed.
You talk such nonsense.
Is that why you couldn't fight back at the stream? You couldn't fight the spirit that guards the stream. You're only there to poison the mortar vessel.
You know nothing. You know nothing, little child.
I know where your mother is. Your mother is in the deep evil forest to get power to bring Izani down.
Oye, I am coming. Ma. Greetings.
I saw the priestess. She was walking alone where Wando passed. I'm so afraid. She's just too young to be facing such terror by herself.
Her mama knows what she's doing. She's playing the game of patience and not a game of power. However, she's aware the stakes are high.
What are the stakes?
The power that Wando used to turn Adako into plantain. The power she used to silence my very good friend, Akachi. That power is deep, ancient evil. They have a master in this land. And that master is a master I thought we had silenced long time ago.
Dede Ejike, who is that?
Namani. The court of Ajobi. They use the powers of the strangers to weaken the gods of the land. Wando and her mother are the vanguard. I've been watching Namani. I have been watching Namani moves like a man that has found a new purpose.
You have come. The price is high, old man. The life of your child.
The life of my child is not the price to pay. I have come for unbeatable power. The kind of power that will dim the shining light in this land.
The light is Ezeani. It is a bloodline. You seek the shadow staff of the old ones. It is trapped here. Only a sacrifice of pure blood can set it free.
I bring the blood of Kachi's child. I got it on my way to here. I killed the child. It is pure. Just give me the shadow staff. Come on, little boy. Don't just stand there and peep. Come take a proper look.
Who are you?
I am the one who brings new things to the village. What do you see when you look at me?
You look like a very angry maiden.
You have a sharp tongue. Maybe I should blunt it. Mother, your journey must have been successful.
What was that?
The forest. She has found it. She has found the shadow staff. Kachi, you have to go to the shrine now. Speed up to the shrine and tell her mama that the game is over. Tell her before Nugo returns. You have to go now.
The forest. The storm of darkness.
I know, I felt it. The shadow staff is on board. The price was paid in stolen blood. The time for watching is over. The dawn is for the light to match. Eziani will never bow for darkness. Go to the center of the village. Rally the elders. Tell them that the court of Ajobi is ready to rise. They must prepare for a fight that will shake the very root of this kingdom. Fear must not win today.
Alright, I will do just that.
priestess of our land, protector of our land. Hey, whoa. Amoma, priestess of our land, protector of our land. Amoma, why you nike? Nora, Ebo, she is just
Ejikemen, Amoma sent me. She said she must confront Umwando now, that you should stay back. She said she trusts the silence of the gods.
Silence of the gods. When a Nugo has the forbidden staff, that girl is brave. And her confidence will get her killed.
She is not confident. She is not. You see, before it becomes a prayer point, she is reserved. She is drawing Nugo out.
Wando is moving. I can feel it. The wind is changing. She's moving to the center of the village. And as much as I do not have the powers to fight her magic, I still have the power to stop her. Akachi, you have to move to the path of the shrine. No one, I said no one, can utter the work of Amoma. Go right now. Right now, go!
Okay, that giddy now why? You have done it again. Nemo!
Wando, you will not turn this place into a corruption den.
The old dog is here to bark. I thought you would have learnt your lessons by now.
We shall see then.
Ana-akpọ eji ike eme na-eko na-ebugharị axe ofu mkpụrụ ike ijiro. Go and tell your daughter to prepare for her end.
She struck your heart and not your body.
You are very strong. Very, very strong. I felt the weight of their power. They are waiting for you, but I have to tell you ahead of time that you cannot face the shadow staff.
I must. Nwando is our anchor. We pull the anchor down. The ship runs around. I need you to go to the shrine. Protect it with catching. Let the center of this journey be unbroken.
finally the priestess is here to witness her downfall. You should rather stay in your hut than coming here to witness your end. Because today marks your end.
I came here to restore peace. You poisoned the pot of water. You killed the innocent. You have stolen hearts. You are a vessel of darkness, nothing more.
The staff is mine. No. No. That child. She dares not attack my daughter. She dares not.
The die is cast. The curtain is torn. The fool Nugu unleashes the staff. And the little priestess fights for her life. The fear, thick as a fog, blinding the eyes of the gods. This is the final destruction. Ajobi will claim his throne.
I knew you would come back.
You little priestess.
You were just a mere distraction so that we could plan on taking over the land.
You lose, little girl.
Namani, you broke the vow.
The vow of the weak is broken by the strong. Ajobi demands this land, and you little priestess, you are the final piece for that sacrifice.
Kachi, that blast. It's like they screamed of the earth. It's over, Kachi.
It is done. The light is extinguished. Eziani's voice is silent.
Finally, we are in control of this kingdom. We shall reign without anybody interrupting us. Nobody have the guts to challenge our reign.
She's gone. Namani. We have kept our own side of the bargain. Now, what do you intend to do?
I intend to take over that which rightfully belongs to me. But first, the throne of Ajobi must be consecrated. I shall prepare the inner circle, and this priestess shall be the last piece required for the offering.
This priestess will not be used for offering. Her body will be returned to the owner.
The power of the shadow staff is needed to hold the throne. No go. There is no need. We cannot quarrel. Not yet. Yes. You can return the body to the owner, but we must consecrate the throne. I shall prepare the inner circle.
Wando, take the body.
The air, the light, it feels heavy and wrong.
Kachi, I don't care if they turn me to dust. I have to go and see things myself.
Amoma!
Look what your little priestess has become. You fool. A casualty of our ascension.
priestess! I will tear this land apart!
Don't you the pain? Akachi, go and tell the elders! Tell them that the light has gone. Tell them that the Namani and the strangers, they have won.
What do we do now? The shrine! Is the shrine safe?
The shrine has become a stone now. And the heart torn apart. Though the gods choose her. The child of Eziani will not just die like that. There must be a way out.
Daughter of the gods, the day has barely break. Where did the wind take you to this time?
Father, the down caught my feet, even before the cock could find its tongue. Shadows whispered. Paths trembled. I answered.
I got to the shrine and I didn't find you there. At that point, I realized that the spirit has summoned you again.
Don't worry, Father. Those who carved my destiny walk beside me. Their breath shield me, and their eyes see for me.
You are no longer that little girl that plays under the tree. And I am no one to question the decision of the gods in you.
And yet I remain your daughter. The earth knows the truth, even when the sky calls it.
May the sky lighten your path.
Amoma, wanyo nyike. Amoma, onyenso. Amoma, onyoko.
What are you doing here, my daughter?
Pig. This is a spiritual weapon.
A spiritual weapon?
Yes. Use it whenever you're in trouble, or when I'm not around. It will protect you.
But you're always around, so why give it to me now?
Don't worry. Once you're in trouble, just use it.
Gachi, we'll mourn later. But right now, we'll have a war to fight. And I have to get my talisman.
What is that?
That is what my daughter gave to me long ago. She asked me to use it only when the power of the enemy is obsolete. We wait for Namani. And then we strike.
Zoom-le-le, zoom-le-le-le,
Ajiobi! Ajiobi! Ajiobi!
The land is cleansed. Eziani! The light of Eziani quenched by the blood of its own.
Ajiobi! Rise up! Rise up! Rise Rise up and take dominion.
The power is immense. The power is immense. We have done what generations of seekers could not do. Mother! Listen! The people are screaming. They have been visited. Let them scream! Scream on, people! Their scream fuels our power. The people of Eziani is now under our control.
Right in our palm. Lord of the light, spirit filled in shadows, Ajobi, the gods of falls, Gagalogu, Anu Baraku Nejuonu, Ololiye Loliye. Rise up! Rise up! Rise up, Ajobi! Rise up, for the time is now. Come! Come!
He's here!
Come!
He's here!
Come!
He's here! He's here!
I saw the sky. Ajobi is rising. We cannot fight them.
Oh no, we can fight Ajobi. Ajobi can't be fought. Though the priestess is dead, but her spirit lives. Yes, the light must find its path. They believe they have won. They believe the land is blind, but they forgot one thing, that Eziani is in the soil, not just in the shrine. I am Ejike, the son of the soil. Kashi, let us go. We must distract them. Follow me.
They've killed our mama. The light of our land is gone.
We have to go to Ejike. He's the last one with courage. Okay. What was that sound?
They are here now.
What was that sound?
Let's leave before it becomes too late. Please come.
It all started here. I will surely end up here.
What was that? That was the wards. Someone is attacking the base.
Ejikeme! I should have killed him when I had the chance.
Yes. Go on now, Nugu. Go on and stop him. For if the wards fall, the god cannot fully cross over. Go now! Go now! Go! Ajobi! Rise up! Rise up and claim dominion!
The hurt is caused. The throne is exposed. Let's leave here.
I knew he was trouble. Ejikemuwa is a disease. We should have finished him off. We should have silenced him the very moment we took that compound.
He's a fool. But a determined fool. He understands his people. But we must protect the compound now. As a matter of fact, if we move in to protect the compound, Ejikeme is going to run to Nnamani's chamber. And when Nnamani finds out, he is going to be very angry with us for not protecting his chamber.
I must go now. I will go now and finish that man completely myself. And I will prove to him that I am way stronger than his daughter's little weak spirit.
Now you listen. Wando, my daughter. You do just that. But I need you to bring Ejikeme. Bring him alive. That is what Nnamani wants. But first of all, you have to use your powers on him to prove to him that he is just a mere commoner. Now you go. Wando! I go dinner wine.
Kachi?
Yes, AGK, man.
The silence is a trap. They know we are here.
We should go straight to Nnamani. We can't fight them both.
No, Kachi. The heart of the coast lives here. Shatter the base, and Nnamani's God is weakened.
The stubborn goat willingly returns to the slaughterhouse. Did you enjoy breaking my walls, old man? I hope so. Because this will be the last free act you would ever perform.
Wando!
You must surely pay for the death of our mama. You must surely pay for the peace you and your mother took away from this land.
My mother left me here alone so I could learn how little you matter. You are mine now. Only mine. And you wish I had killed you. You thought you could fight the daughter of the woman that wields the shadow staff. You thought your little metal charm can penetrate Wando. Okukibo! Little rats! Go and tell your villagers that the hero is now under my spell, in my heart as my slave. And tell them that their hope died with the priestess. Run!
Wando has done well. Ejikeme has been broken. The light has been extinguished. Amoma is silent. I held back my power. I put my daughter's life in danger. I stepped on all the rules of this wretched land. Ah, Namani. Namani promised me a lot. Wealth, domain, land, name it. On the condition that I bring the priestess and her father. Now he thinks he can get away with it. Namani thinks he can get away with not fulfilling his promises. But I say no. I go to him now to ensure that he gives me all that he promised. I will let him know that the shadow staff serves no man.
Ajobi, let your transformation be complete. Ajobi, Ofon nam bidere n'aka gaga anyị marụ ya anyị makwanụ m aka. Ya anyị makwanụ m aja anyị onye n'aka abụọ para ya.
Pom pom pom. Anụ kpom gịnị ma kpom mgbe n'ukwu ya ga na-abụ ọsọ. Keep quiet. Let us have some silence. It is done.
Done, you say? The portal is failing. Ejikeme has broken the words. Your
God has no power. Let us just forget about it. Ejikeme is broken and bound. The priestess is dead. Everywhere is quiet now for you to ascend the throne.
Yes! Yes, Nugo! You have done well. Now help me, please. Stabilize Ajobi. Then we shall discuss your rewards. Ajobi!
What must be discussed now? I will not wait for you to ascend your pathetic throne before we discuss what you would pay to me.
Ask then, what is it your heart desires? Is it gold? Lands? Power over the maidens? Name it. What is it you want? Nugo.
Lands. I first of all want the gold. Then the cowries. Land. All your farmlands. The fields. Rivers. Even the maidens, just name it all. Everything is what I want. But you would share it. All of them you would share into 3 equal parts. You give me 2 parts. For one do my daughter and I. Then you keep a portion.
Nugo! 2/3 of my inheritance?
You're lucky I didn't give you 1/4.
You dare request such dominion over what I own? Nugo, how dare you? Huh? Do you forget your place? Do I need to remind you that you are only a guest? Yes. And I made an oath to you upon this staff to share my kingdom, not to surrender it to you. I refuse, Nugo. I refuse to grant such greedy requests.
You refuse, you say? You are yet to understand the power of the shadow staff. It is the only power that can give you what you want. Now you think about it. And when you've made up your mind, you send for me.
Kill me. Why not just kill me? Kill me.
Kill you?
Kill me.
You lie. That
is for the favored. As for you, you shall stay alive and watch us conquer your pathetic land. You are the father of the light. But now, you are the dog of its darkness. I have a statement to make. People of Eziani, hear me, you who hides. The reign of Eziani is over, and the priestess, your light, is extinguished, and her father is now under my foot. Hey slave, clean my foot. Oh, clean it so well. When I command, you obey. Your duty is to obey my commandments as my slave. Do it well. Do it well.
He's gone! She took him! I failed Amoma! I can't fail GK, man! I can't let them have him!
Wait here. Father of nothing. My mother will join us shortly. I say, wait here. Sit down. Weak man. You are as weak as your daughter, together with your God. A weak man with a weak daughter, serving a weak God. It's working. The ritual is about to be completed. No man is at it. You weak man. Weak father of a weak priestess. Serving a weak God. Your weak Eziani is no more.
Leave him!
You will not win. Amoma's spirit will surely return, and Eziani will not let you take this land.
Your daughter's spirit searches for new fire, Ejikeme. And your God? He's in deep and permanent slumber. do to them what they would always regret.
But then taste for the life that has died.
He has done it! The portal! The portal is open! And you two, sit over there. Sit over there!
Sit down!
And you, Ejike. Ejike, man. You will sit here to witness the rise of Ajobi. Your pathetic kingdom will be on its knees.
Today marks the end of your usefulness. If I'm talking to you, you smile at me.
Wando, where is your mother? The portal is broken. The light is dead.
Calm down. She has the staff, but she demands payment with immediate effect before anything can be done. Here she comes.
No go. So even at this solemn moment, you move ahead with your greedy claims? Do you not realize that the blood of the priestess is still fresh?
You give me my payment. I hold the staff. If you fail to pay me, I will send Ajobi back to the abyss where he rightfully belongs.
No. Fine. I will reward you generously. But you must agree with me that we are very exposed here. After the ceremony, I will reward you.
Good. But if you fail, I will take over your whole kingdom by force.
Ejike, man. The final defiance is crushed. The light is broken.
Boom, boom, boom. Hanu bong lima bong denu kuya gana boso. Hanu bong lima bong. Kuma kupala.
Let the era of Ajobi begin! No! What? I can't see. The portal! She has sealed her Joby!
Oh, no!
We are trapped! Ah! The purity is blinding! You're supposed to have been extinguished! What is happening?
The staff is gone. It's broken in Namani. Do something.
The portal. She's closing the portal.
Closing?
We are trapped.
Oh no!
Our job is trapped.
We're trapped.
I do not care about your dead gods. You fools are still mine. She may be dead, but you will pay for her insolence. You will pay for the destruction of our power! Yes, you will pay!
Where's the staff? I paid the price!
Nugo! No! We need to flee into the bushes now. We need to go. No. Let us go, Nugo. Let us go.
Get up and help! Which way? I can't see. Which way?
Come this way. Come, Wanda, let us go.
I will not live without them. I cannot live empty-handed. No! I refuse to live without my captives. You are living with me.
Wando, the ground is no longer yours.
You are joking.
Hey, stop it!
You are a disgrace to your daughter. Move it! Move!
My eyes.
My power of authority.
We need to escape into the forest. Let's use the shadows to shield ourselves. Where is Mando? We have to go in a hurry.
Don't mind that foolish girl. She's so proud. We need to save ourselves first. Then after that, we're going to look for the staff. It's very important. Move. Move! Hey! Stay there. Shall wait for my mother to come. She will know what to do.
She has gone. You are alone. You have nothing left.
You lie. I have you. You are still under my spell as my slave. And that's enough for me. I will burn you alive in my heart.
This is over!
Do not kill her. She belongs to the light for judgment.
Judgment! Judgment, you say? They sealed the stream. They killed our mama. What other judgment do they deserve rather than death?
Kachi, her mother still have the staff again.
She'll be here anytime soon. All you need to do is to get a rope and tie her up. We need her alive.
No! She escaped!
Kachi, she did not escape. She flee. Her mother will be here soon. Let's just wait. The light of the gods abandoned us. Mama, my daughter died for nothing. They have captured our land.
Don't say that. You AGK, man. You must stand.
I cannot stand, Kachi. I cannot. They are too strong. They are too powerful. I cannot confront them. I cannot conquer them. I cannot even defend my only daughter. Eziani, the ancient spirit. I will not be alive and see darkness rule over this land. Take my life instead. Take my life. I do not want to be alive and behold this evil.
Please, you can't do this. Don't give up, please. Come on.
Nando. Where are they? Where is the farmer and Kachi? You left your post.
They fought back, Mama. Kachi came and distracted me. They got loose and I couldn't hold them back.
What do you mean they got loose? The farmer and Kachi are gone. Our ransom is gone.
It's broken, Mama. Ejikeme begged the sky to take his life. So, they're defeated.
Being defeated is not the same thing as being dead. I have the staff. We get the land. Namani must pay.
Nemo! Aguai!
We will crush the village under our feet. And all the villagers will come begging for a tiny, tiny piece of land.
Nemo!
Evil spirits, mother and daughter, killing people, darkness everywhere. And to behold, evil spirits, mother and daughter, killing people, darkness everywhere.
Skin the fall.
Our stream.
The water. They have ruined it. How do we cook? What do we drink?
Without the priestess, without clean water, we are livestock for them.
Let's go.
Evil spirits, mother and daughter, killing people, darkness everywhere. Evil spirits, mother and daughter, killing
You people of this forsaken land, listen. You have defiled us, and you must pay for that defilement. Your fire or light, whatever you call it, has been extinguished, and your protector is dead. Your only hope, Ejikeme, is a broken dog. He rather asked for death than face us. Bunch of cowards. Look at them. You will know no peace. Fear will be your name. They are damaged. Now we go look for Naman to settle it.
Evil spirits, mother and daughter, killing people, darkness everywhere. To be heard.
Ejike, did you hear that? They have broken the road. They have admitted it. They are ruling the land.
Kachi, let them rule. They can go ahead and rule the land. They can go ahead and conquer the land. That is what we deserve. We allowed Naman a hit so long. We should have known that the court never died.
Stop it! The people need you. How about the talisman? You said it could fight the staff.
She destroyed it.
Ajobi! 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 Ndị mmụọ na ndị egede. Asị m unu gbanya n'ọsọ bịa. Nke na-enweghị ọba ibe ya kwọta ya n'azụ, mana unu gbanya ọsọ bịa na oge eruo. Oge eji agọzi eruo. Ajobi! Complete the transformation. Why do you resist? Ajobi!
Namane! Namane! Stop that nonsense. The village is falling apart and you're here playing with smoke.
I am trying to stabilize the God whom you have failed. Your foolish daughter allowed Ejikeme to escape. Yet you stand here demanding 2/3 of my inheritance.
We fulfilled our pact. The priestess is dead, and her father broken and bound. Now you have to pay us or give us 2/3 of your inheritance.
Ah! I did not accept that. I refuse to give you that. No go. Do you want to bargain with a god? Do you think that the staff is greater than the throne of Ajobi? No go. I in the money, I shall rule this land alone.
Your God is failing. Yes, your God is failing. Our staff has won the fight.
your staff has won the fight, then you should have the land. Help stabilize Ajobi. And then you would have proved that your staff is effective.
Fine. I will let your ritual stand. But I must have the immediate tax. I must have the village land and all the abandoned huts. We will settle with the villagers' lands for now.
It is well.
Good.
You can have the villagers' lands, but the shrines and the forests are mine alone.
Fine. We seal the ritual. Anu pom grima pom benupu yaga na boso. Anu pom grima pom 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 pom. Anu pom grima pom benupu yaga na boso. Anu pom grima pom 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 pom.
We can't cross. We can't get water. Look.
The evil sign.
They've taken our huts away. We have nowhere to go.
They have marked the hut. Ejike, man. Every hut. We are slaves now. What do we do?
There is nothing we can do, Kachi. Absolutely nothing we can do. The gods saw our light die. The land saw the shame of the father. Yet, no redemption left for me. Eziane. Eziane! Why do you have to save me when you cannot save the land? Take my breath. I am ashamed of myself. I am tired. Take me.
Amoma, priestess of our land, protector of our land. Amoma, wanyo nyike, Nora, Amoma.
Ebelebe gebu na ebenebe. Ebelebe gebu na ebenebe. Ndị mbụ na ndị egede. Ekene m unu. Ekene m unu. Ajụ obi akpọkuo m ngụ. Akpọkuo m ngụ. Bịa zanụ m okuwe. Bịa zanụ m okuwe.
So what I'm trying to say is that you will go to your hut, get your own farm too. Then when you come around, then we take it up from there and then.
Mama, you are dead.
Don't worry, it's me. I did not come as a mortal, but as an immortal. I came here to restore peace in this land.
Mama, why did you decide to leave me?
I didn't. Don't worry. Once the time is right, I will tell you everything. Now, come to the stream part. Something huge is about to happen.
Let's go.
Hey, okay. Hey, hey, okay.
We're in trouble. Nemesis has caught up with us. We need to get out of this village immediately. Right away.
Yes, I am back.
I was dead. Now I'm back. They turned me into an immortal.
Aboma, please have mercy. Spare me, please.
I have no business with you. I am light and you are darkness.
Don't touch my daughter, please. Rather take me.
The ghosts are crazy. are crazy. The girls are crazy. The girls are crazy. He. I will rule the village. 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 Yeah.
That serves them right. They killed my wife, an unborn child. They deserve all they got.
They killed so many people in this land. The one that hurts me so much was the death of my very good friend. And they must face the consequences.
Go home. I will handle them properly.
Priestess of our land, protector of our land. Hey, whoa. Priestess of our land, protector of.
Have you heard? Nuogo and Nnamani are dead.
No, I haven't heard that. What I heard is that Nwado has run mad.
It's true. And I heard Amoma came and swept them away and made Nwado mad.
They surely deserve their punishment. Let's go.
I can't put your darkness will follow. It will only take some time. Mana ifo mageme. Ogabia, it will only take some time. 'Cause we believe in you. Hey, priestess of our land, protector of our land. Hey, whoa. Princess of our land, protector of our land. Amoma wanyo nyike, Nora, Ebo. She is just and beautiful. Amoma, princess of our land, protector of our land. Amoma wanyo nyike, Nora, Ebo.
Obi,
Yes.
I'm craving for papa.
All right. Come on, have your seat.
Israel.
Just sit down. Relax. Let me get it for you. My love! Please wake up! Stop there! I don't care to know who both of you are. I left my wife, healthy and sound. Undo what you have done to her. Now! Before we chop up!
My daughter, you have done well.
Father, darkness cleans the path you walk from.
You are right, my daughter. I suspected the same. I went to my friend's house, Okodele, my friend, you know him. On getting there, I met some strangers, an old woman and the daughter. They said the hut now belongs to them.
I have warned them, but they don't want to listen to the voice of the gods. The time has come.
Who are you talking about?
Father, do not trouble your heart. The gods that chose me will guide every of my steps.
Okay. Mama, my daughter, I am sorry. I am sorry I couldn't protect you. That is why you died.
Don't worry, Father. Everything that happened for a reason. I'll always be with you. I want you to send this message to the people of Iziani.
Amụma nwanyị onye ike, onye nsọ, onye ọkụ, nwa soro ife nwee bịa, onye nzọpụta Eziani, ebo duru anyị n'agha, sọsọ gị ka anyị ma ebo ike n'onwe ya, agaba nwanyị ọkụ gị du anyị aga. Amụma nwanyị onye ike, onye nsọ, onye ọkụ, the priestess of our land. Amụma nwanyị onye ike, amụma onye nsọ, amụma onye ọkụ, amụma ebo ife na-eme n'obodo gidi 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 gwom 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 aka ekpuchi ọnwa adịghị ekpuchi ọnwa darkness will follow it will only take some time mana if ọma ga-eme ọ ga-abịa it will only take some time cause we believe in you. Hey, hey, hey. Amoma, priestess of our land, Amoma, protector of our land, Amoma, hey, whoa. Amoma, Amoma, priestess of our land, Amoma, protector of our land, Amoma, Amoma, wanyo nyike, Amoma, Nora, Amoma, hey, whoa. Amoma. She is just and beautiful. Amoma, 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 Amoma. Wanyo nyeso.
Evil spirits, mother and daughter, killing people, darkness everywhere. And to behold, evil spirits, evil mother and daughter, evil killing people, darkness everywhere. N'obodo anana majijiji ọkụ anyị na-ayụzi ngwa m gịnị ka ị ga-eme justice will come no matter the darkness anwụ ga-abịa ọzọ